The Erie County Department of Health has now officially declared an outbreak of measles in the region. This after confirming a fourth and fifth case of the virus since March. Matt Mathias spoke to health officials today. Matt?
Yeah, Sean, these cases were directly connected to exposures from a local positive case of measles back on March 30th. Now, unlike others, not due to international travel. A slow spread of measles to unvaccinated people in Erie County continues to be documented, with now 5 cases made public. The 3 most recent cases stem from local spread.
When we just had the 1 case at the child care facility, that did not count as an outbreak. So now that we have 2 cases linked to that exposure to that individual, that's what the CDC would define as an outbreak.
More than 200 people who were at Creative Learning Childcare and Fitness U on March 30th were reached out to for contact tracing. It's from this group that these most recent cases are thought to have come from.
We end up putting a list together of all those individuals, and then our team here, which is contact tracers, nurses, supervisors, public health preparedness coordinators, work really hard to reach out to all of those individuals to talk about their vaccination status. Those that are vaccinated do not have any quarantine despite exposure, because the risk of getting measles if you're fully vaccinated is very small, only 3%.
This time around, people who were at UPMC Hammett's emergency department on Saturday, April 5th between 5:30 and 9 o'clock p.m. should monitor for symptoms of measles until April 26th, mainly those who are unvaccinated. At this time, the Erie County Department of Health still doesn't consider there to be a high risk of community spread or exposure with these cases, but any symptoms can take weeks to develop.
Yeah, I think what we're finding is that there's a lot of people that didn't realize they didn't have access to their vaccine records. So before electronic medical records were as prevalent, you either had, like, your parent might have still had your paper vaccine record or your PCP office, but a lot of those offices have closed for a lot of people that are in their late 30s, 40s, 50s, and so people are insistent that they're vaccinated but don't have a way to show that they are.
Now, the health department will be hosting an MMR vaccine clinic next Tuesday, April 22nd at the Zemzem Shrine Club from 11 until 6:30 p.m. They can vaccinate anyone who's older than 18 who's looking to get their vaccine, or for people who are unsure about their vaccination status. Sean.